Good morning to everyone. Today topic is getting to know plant. Our objective is first we will discuss about different type of plant like herbs, shrubs, trees. Then we will talk about their parts like roots, stem, leaf, flower, and some process like photosynthesis process, transpiration. So herbs, plants with green and tender stem are called herbs. Herbs they are usually small and may not have many branches. They usually not have many branches. Like coriander. If we talk about shrub, then some plant develop branches near the base of stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plant are called shrub. Like tulsi. Next is tree. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick stem. The stem have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called tree. Like banyan tree, peepal tree, neem tree. Next is creepers plant. Plants with big stem that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called creepers plant. Like watermelon. Climber plants. Plant with big stem and capable climb up with the support are called climbers plant. Like grapes, grapes tree, grapes plant. If we talk about different part of now plants, then plant part that bears leaves, branches, buds, flowers, fruits are called stem. Stem help in upward movement of water and mineral, go to leaf and other plant parts attached to stem. You can see in this picture. Then next is leaf. Plant part which bears vein, midrib and involves in synthesis of food through the process of photosynthesis is called leaf. Parallel venation in leaf. When veins or the nerves are arranged parallel to one another all over the leaf blade or lamina is called as parallel venation. It is characteristic of monocot. Reticulate venation leaf. When veins or the nerves shows network or web-like arrangement all over the leaf blade or lamina, it is called as reticulate venation. Transpiration. Water comes out of leaves in the form of paper by a process called transpiration in plants. Release lot of water into the air through this process known as transpiration. Photosynthesis. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green color substance present in them called chlorophyll. For this they are also use water and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is given out in this process. The food prepared by leaves ultimately get stored in different parts of plant. We can see in diagram that there is sunlight coming from and carbon dioxide and plant is producing oxygen, glucose, taking minerals from soil. Now root. Plant part which help in holding the plant family to the soil and anchor the plant to the soil is called root. Roots are further divided into taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, the main root is called taproot and lateral root, that root which arise from main root are known as lateral root. If we talk about fibrous root, when plants do not have a main root, those plants which do not have a main root, all roots similar and are called fibrous root. If we see photosynthesis process, then we can see from this both sides showing photosynthesis process. Here as sunlight is coming, carbon dioxide is getting and water from soil, plant is producing fruit. Here is also minerals going in leaves and sunlight is coming. And glucose is produced and stored in the form in plant, different part of plant. We can see then in this slide water is coming from ground and CO2 from environment. With these help sunlight from sun and producing oxygen, giving out oxygen. So for reference point of view, for theory NCERT textbook, for image and animation Shutterstock or Pixel.com. Thank you.